I'm at Caelavrock Castle tonight and I've got about a 20-minute walk to get to the castle, just in that direction. So I'll get my bag on and we'll get walking. Scotland is home to some of the world's most breathtaking landscapes, and I'm on a mission to photograph as many of them as I can. I'm Craig, and on this channel I share landscape photography adventures from across Scotland, so let's get out into the landscape. So tonight I am looking for two shots. One from the corner of the castle, because it's shaped like a triangle, and another shot I'm wanting is looking straight down the path as a leading line towards the castle. Just using the leading line of the path as my guide into the picture towards the castle. I'll do a orientation and a landscape shot. Right, I'll go and explore around, because I've only ever been here once, and a woman came running down the path to tell us that we had to pay. How do I get a good shot from here? I kind of wanted all the shrubbery that's at the bottom away. I like the vantage point of this shot, but I don't like all the construction work going on at that side. There was that car in the car park, and I thought it was going to be that woman again running down the path. Oh, that was hilarious. What she could have been here. Stop, you need to pay. I want to be over all these weed things at the side. Oh my god, there's bugs everywhere. If I'm standing here, you can see that turret, and that one. I wish the bugs would go away. So if I include the reeds along the front, just focus on the main turret itself. Change to manual, that's shutter speed. Change to manual. I'm just going to wait and see if there's any more colour comes in the sky. I still have an hour. I'll drink some of my Pepsi, explore and see what happens. Right, so I think I'm going to switch to my wide lens and take a picture with the path as my main subject towards the castle. Always point your camera down when you're changing lenses so you don't get any dust on your sensor. I'm thinking get any awesome golden light. Might get a little hint of something nice, but we'll have to wait and see. As I say, still got a while yet to go for sunset. So while I had the time lapse going, I spotted a nice wee composition here. So I just pushed my bag back that I quite like. Just with that turret thing that we had, just jutting out the trees and all the surrounding reeds, and I'll just show you in a wee second. So this was it I was going for. I liked all the reeds round the side and the turret at that bit, and at the point that I took the picture there was some light in the sky there, although still quite nice just now. Right, I think that's me. I'm just going to head back to the car for about a 20-minute walk, I think. Hope you liked this week's video. I would appreciate it if you gave it a like, sent me a wee comment down below and hit the subscribe button to see more landscape photography adventures. Cheers guys.